Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 50. On this page, children, you are going to read and write the vegetable names. Look at this, children. This is garlic. Listen again, children. This is garlic. Listen one more time, children. This is garlic. Now say with me, children, garlic. Say again, children, garlic. Children, now you have to write the name garlic in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the name garlic. Look at this, children. This is brinjal. Listen again, children. This is brinjal. Listen one more time, children. This is brinjal. Now say with me, children, brinjal. Say again, children, brinjal. Children, now you have to write the name brinjal in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the name brinjal. Look at this, children. This is lady finger. Listen again, children. This is lady finger. Listen one more time, children. This is lady finger. Say again, children, lady finger. Children, now you have to say again, lady finger. Children, you have to write the name lady finger in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the name lady finger. Look at this, children. This is cauliflower. Listen again, children. This is cauliflower. Listen one more time, children. This is cauliflower. Now say with me, children, cauliflower. Say again, children, cauliflower. Say one more time, children, cauliflower. Children, you have to write the name cauliflower in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the name cauliflower. Look at this, children. This is cabbage. Listen again, children, cabbage. Listen one more time, children, cabbage. Now say with me, children, this is cabbage. Say again, children, this is cabbage. Children, now you have to write the name cabbage in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the name cabbage. Look at this, children. This is cucumber. Listen again, children. This is cucumber. Listen one more time, children. This is cucumber. Now say with me, children. This is cucumber. Say again, children. This is cucumber. Children, now you have to write the name cucumber in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write the name cucumber. Let's read all the vegetable names again, children. Garlic, brinjal, ladyfinger, cauliflower, cabbage, cucumber. Look at this, children. This is garlic, this is brinjal, this is ladyfinger, this is cauliflower, this is cabbage, and this is cucumber. Children, you have to read and write all these vegetable names in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write garlic, brinjal, ladyfinger, cauliflower, cabbage, cucumber. This was our page number 50.